Hey everyone! So welcome back to the Food Pantry series where my aim is to use things in your food pantry to create really delicious and wholesome meals. And today we're going to be doing a chickpea curry, and it is crazy delicious, very easy to make, but it does require that you have a couple of spices in your pantry. So if you're into Indian food, that's great because chances are you'll have these spices already, but I'm gonna hesitate to say this, but I also think that you can if you just have a general curry powder. I think that you can maybe just put it in and substitute for, I think there was 3 or 4 different spices that you had to mix together. And then afterwards, it's just some tomato puree, coconut milk. You just mix it together along with chickpeas. So it's nice and hearty, and have a little bit of basmati rice on to the side, and you guys have yourself an actual amazing meal worthy of takeout. So I hope you guys all enjoy this recipe. So I'm going to start off by making this curry paste, and recipe is going to be down below, but it's some onion, some garlic, some ginger, and then a couple of spices like coriander and cumin and garam masala. And I think that's the part where if you did have a general curry powder, you could probably just add that in, blend it up all together, and then this is going to be your flavoring paste. Next, I'm going to fry up the paste just a little bit for 2 minutes in a dry pan because I don't like my foods to be overly oily, and you can totally do this in just a dry pan. And just make sure that it gets a little bit fragrant, everything has a chance to cook up, and then this dish comes together really quickly. After I added in the chickpeas, the tomatoes, as well as the coconut milk, I'm going to simmer this for 5 minutes, just so that the chickpeas have a chance to absorb some of that flavor. And then towards the end, you just add in a bunch of spinach, as much as you want, a little bit of coriander. And you can actually just turn this off because the heat will wilt the greens down themselves. Season to taste, a little bit of salt, put it over some basmati rice, and this dish is good to go. It's crazy hearty and so easy to make. Like if you make that paste ahead of time and you freeze it, open up a can of chickpeas and you got yourself some chickpea curry. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will be back with you guys again real soon. Bye.